Okay, Miss Macarena.
I am not the Macarena. I am Monty Python on a quest for the Holy Grail. So greetings, earthlings. I am back and we are opening more of the Disney Doorables movie moments.
This is series 3.
This is the new series 3. There are a number of ones that you can get. And
So-
the ones that we are looking for are Bugs Life, Monsters Inc., and Hunkules primarily. But I would say Dad would appreciate Moana. And I will say that the Rapunzel Tangled one is also really cute.
The other one, since she has just basically
I'm picking the ones I like, thank you.
Wish, Fantasia, Pinocchio, Fox and the Hound, and Beauty and the Beast.
I never noticed that was Fantasia. Oh my gosh, that's one of my favorite scenes from
That's
Fantasia.
the hippo.
What I love is whenever the alligator tries to pick up the hippo and then he gets squashed.
Exactly. Well,
and that's that moment.
Well, you have two. Let's
All
see.
right, so let's open one of them up.
Please hold.
Do I know who these are? Let's see. All right, I'm going to do my best. Are we filming or not?
Yes.
Oh, we're filming. Okay. I'm going to do my best to not look at the card as I do this. But,
Please hold.
okay, not looking at the card. Take it. Okay, not looking at the card. Shoot, we have another layer. Please hold.
I don't know if this is a thing. I'm hiding it from.
I just saw it. And if everybody wants to know who it is,
Oh!
it is.
Oh!
Oh
It's
my
Bugs
God.
Life.
It's a Bugs Life, and this is phenomenal. We have Heimlich, which I think that's a slightly different Heimlich than the one that comes in Series 8. Or is that Series 9? Series 9, I believe.
Correct.
And that's the I am a cute little bumblebee
Oh, he has
Heimlich.
wings.
Yes. We have a different Flick mold here. This Flick in comparison to the Series 9
Oh,
one.
yeah. It's
He's
not
got
the
the backpack,
backpack.
and he's going on an adventure in
Well,
our favorite
please
rocket
hold
ship.
while we put this together.
Yep.
Look at how cute.
I'm obsessed with the Chinese takeout container that is behind them.
And they have a timer and a piece of candy corn. Okay, and this one
super
is a
cute.
rare.
It's a rare, and I love how they also show Heimlich eating the candy corn on the back.
It's really cute. We
Yes.
like Heimlich.
And he is a cute little bumblebee!
So, we have another one.
We do? Okay. Oh, actually, I knew we did. 'Cause I was
Please
holding it.
hold. Are you trying to figure out where the card is?
Found it, and I'm not gonna look at it. Take it. And we are on to the next layer. Please hold, because I'm terrible at this.
Don't worry, I'm gonna just show everybody. Oh, yes!
Who is it? Let's see. Why are we excited? What are we excited
I'm
about?
excited.
Mike Wazowski.
That's why I'm excited. It's Monsters Inc. And it looks like it's the door scene, so please
Yes!
hold. Look, it's the ending.
Put that thing back where it came from. Oh, so help me.
So help me.
I just gotta cry.
Oh, look at this.
Yes, so this is the moment whenever Mike puts the final piece back in Boo's door, and you can't help but cry whenever you see it because it's the cutest little...
I'm guessing you cry a lot at this movie.
I cry at most Pixar movies. Don't get me started on Coco.
Oh, God. Yeah, you can't make it through Coco.
The problem is when I watch it with my sister, then we both look at each other and start crying more.
And this is a common version, but it does... One thing I like about the movie moments, it normally, Disney Doorbell's fair to comment, normally includes new molds or
Yes.
slightly altered.
Yes, they're usually new because they want to show them in action. And I really, really appreciate that. So these are the two movie moments that we have.
Maybe.
Maybe. What is that?
I've
The
done
top layer is off, which means Susan knows what it is. I'm not looking at the card. Here, take that. I'm not looking. I'm not looking.
I'm gonna go over here.
Wait. Am I seeing what I think I'm seeing in here?
I don't know. Judging how quick.
Is that who I think it is? Oh my God, will you open faster? That was a mess. Okay, it is the ultra rare Hercules with the Hydra. So one, the Hydra with the Doorables heads.
Please hold while we, or do you want to?
I want to show them those Doorables heads on the Hydra. That is hilarious, and I don't think they're ever gonna make this figure again because obviously it does not fit into a multi-peak.
No, I would say this is the only time, which is
But,
maybe
like,
why they chose this.
Here's the other thing that I will say too that I love about this Hydra. Not only does he have the eyes of the Disney Doorables, but they gave him a chonk body.
He fat.
I love his chonk body. It's chonkalicious, and it brings me joy. So let's get this put together.
Who put the gliding gladiator?
Hercules.
Who's down needs a drink later?
Hercules. Is he bold? Is he brave? Oh, sweet.
Our favorite flavor.
Hercules. Chonk Hydra.
Look at, so first of all, I really like this Hercules figure that they did, but more importantly, the star of this is Hydra. He is the ultra rare. From what I can gather, he is 1 per case, and Lord knows a pain in the butt to find.
And I am always impressed whenever Greg manages to find these and finds the correct ones.
I do all the shopping in this family.
Not all of it. I do a decent bit of it
You do the online. I'm the one in the person.
I sometimes go in the person, but usually just to pick up the order that I already placed.
So, she wanted these 3. We got these 3. I don't know if we will hunt any more of these, although she does like the hippo from Fantasia, so
I love
maybe.
the hippo. But the problem is, it's not the moment where the alligator is lifting the hippo. I want him to be squashed. Like, give it like 10 seconds later, and then it's the perfect movie moment for me.
But what do you think? Are you happy with these polls?
Are you talking to me? Yeah, of course. Like, these are the ones that I was really, really hoping for because I'm a cute little bumblebee. My favorite movie on the planet, and
Mike Wazowski.
so yeah, I'm quite content.
What should we open next?
Yeah.